Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Venu 3S and I'm gonna show you how to track the amounts of steps taken on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe up or down on the screen to open the list of glances, like this. Once you open the list of glances, scroll through it and find the step glance. It's here at the top. And once you find it, you can tap on it. And here we have more detailed information about these steps. We have 3 pages. As you can see, we have the amounts of steps and the graph through the whole day and the streaks. And you have daily streak, as you can see. We have the distance by miles. And if you just want to check the basic info on the glance itself, you have the graph here and you can check if you reached the daily goal or not. If your watch is paired with a phone, you can also check this in the phone application. So I'm gonna move my watch here, bring the phone, zoom out the camera so you can see the whole screen of the phone, like this. And on the phone that is paired with our watch, we can open the Garmin Connect application. And in the app, you should see the My Day page. On it, you can scroll down, I believe, and you should see these steps right here. That's from yesterday's though. What if we tap on More? Here, Activities and Steps. And here we can check the statistics. And we have from 1 day, today, we have 7 days, 4 weeks, and 1 year. You can check your stats in even more detail than on the watch. Okay, and once you're done, you can close the app. And that's how you check the amounts of steps taken on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.